Chapter 2, Windows 10, Magic Carpet, Functions of an Operating System, History of Windows, Introduction to Windows 10, Desktop and Taskbar, Navigation Pane, Power Saving Mode, Control Panel. We have already learnt about the various input and output devices that form a computer system. However, hardware or devices alone cannot capable of performing any computing task. To be able to work with this system, we must also install software in it. One of the most basic software that is installed in a computer system is the operating system, OS. We cannot interact with hardware devices without an operating system. The purpose of the operating system is to provide an interface in which a user can execute programs and also communicate with the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Let us learn a little more about an operating system. Functions of an operating system. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It manages all the software and hardware of the computer. The most important functions of an operating system are input-output management. Every task requires some input from user which is then processed to generate the desired output. Operating system interacts with various devices through special software called device drives in order to get this done. Program execution. The operating system takes charge for executing various programs whether generated by the user or the system. Resource allocation. Software programs, applications and data need to be stored and managed effectively. The operating system acts as a manager of these resources and allocates them to specific programs and users as necessary. These resources could be CPU, time, memory space, file storage space, input-output devices, and so on. Main memory management. For a program to be executed, it has to be loaded in the main memory. Operating system keeps it into main memory when space is available, allocates and deallocates memory space as needed. File management and secondary storage management. Operating system looks into various aspects like creation and deletion of files and folders, free space management, storage allocation, disk scheduling, and so on. The operating systems today are very different from what they used to be a few decades ago. Initially, the operating systems were CUI, Character User Interface, based on which the users had to write text-based commands to perform any task on a computer. They were gradually replaced by GUI, Graphical User Interface, based operating system. These are easier to learn as the user interacts with the operating system through a graphical interface. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular GUI-based operating system. History of Windows. To keep pace with the latest technology, Microsoft launches different versions of Windows OS from time to time to include additional and upgraded features. This table lists the various versions of Windows operating system released prior to the release of Windows 10. Version. Year of launch. Windows 1.0, 1985. Windows 2.0, 1987. Windows 3.0, 1990. Windows NT, 1993. Windows 95, 1995. Windows 98, 1998. Windows 2000, 2000. Windows Me, 2000. Windows XP, 2001. Windows Vista, 2006. Windows 7, 2009. Windows 8, 2012. Windows 10, 2015. Introduction to Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system and was launched by Microsoft. It combines the feature of both the previous versions and is compatible with desktop and laptop computers as well as mobile phones. Features of Windows 10. Return of Start menu. Voice controlling, Digital assistance Cortana is on the desktop. Improved multitasking. It can be operated through smartphones, desktops, laptops. It has made the working of operating system easy. Fact Genie. Windows 10 was launched on 29th July 2015 and initially it was given free of cost to all the Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 users to promote its existence. Starting Windows 10. When you first install or turn on a computer, the first thing you have to do is set up a user account with a password. Once you have set your user ID and password, it will take you to the desktop. Desktop. The desktop appears as soon as the user opens the logged screen. It is also known as home screen of the computer, and in the bottom it has a bar which is known as a taskbar. Components of a desktop. Start button. It is back in Windows 10 and provides access to the applications available on your Windows 10. On clicking the Start menu is displayed. Cortana. It is also known as the search box. It is present on the taskbar and helps in searching within your documents and files. Task View. You can open multiple desktops from here. You can also organize all the windows or applications which are currently in use. Notification Area. It is located on the right side of the taskbar. Different types of notifications from volume level, internet connection, antivirus status, etc. are displayed here. Date and time. Date and time is shown as soon as we switch on our computer. It is an inbuilt feature of the operating system and cannot be changed. Network status. Network status helps a user to know about its networking status, that is, whether it has been connected to the internet or not. Battery status. Battery status helps a user to check the battery level of the system. It is majorly used by the laptops. Background image. Background image of the system can be changed and can be personal according to the choice of the user. Taskbar. Taskbar is in the bottom of the home screen by default, which shows some of the options like Start option, Task View, Store and Notification bar, etc. Windows taskbar can be placed on any side, that is, we can place taskbar on right side, left side, on the top or can be kept in the bottom, but the default taskbar is always in the bottom. Change position of taskbar. This option is available for making the use of taskbar easy for the user and to make it convenient. Follow the given steps to change the location of taskbar. Step 1. Left click on the blank section of the taskbar. Step 2. Hold the left bottom of the mouse. Step 3. Drag it to its new location. Components of taskbar. Start button. Start button is on the extreme left of the taskbar. When a user right-clicks on this option, it displays all the applications that are present in the computer. It basically helps the user to reach the desired location. Task Viewer. It is also called Task Switcher. This feature has turned out to be efficient for all those users who have to switch from one window to another. When user selects the open window, the others get hidden. This has been installed in Windows 10. File Explorer. File Explorer is there on the taskbar by default. It looks like a folder. File Explorer is a file management application which helps to access different folders and files. Windows 10 added a new feature in the File Explorer, that was Quick Access, which shows all the files and folders which are being frequently used by the user. Store. Store option is available on the taskbar, which is used for downloading the apps and the programs by the user. Notification Area. Notification area is on the right side of the taskbar, which gives various informations to the user about the date and time, internet connection status, current volume level. Microsoft Edge. An icon is present on the taskbar which helps to access the web browser easily. It is basically new web browser introduced in Windows 10 for browsing. Navigation pane. Windows 10 gathers most frequently used items and places them in the navigation pane. Components of navigation pane. Quick access. This tool is used to check all the frequently checked location as it consists of shortcut of those locations. Desktop. It is an option which opens and shows us all those documents that are present on the desktop. Downloads. It is used for searching the downloaded items. OneDrive. After creating a Microsoft account, a free storage space is provided which is known as OneDrive. This PC. It helps to check through the hard drive. Power saving mode. Windows 10 offer a wide variety of power options and sleep settings to help your computer save energy and manage performance. It helps you manage how your device uses power. Power saving mode can be enabled by the following steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select Settings option. Step 3. Click on System Display Notification. Step 4. Then click on Power Save option. Control Panel. Control Panel is used to change the settings of the windows as per your requirement or need. Steps that have to be followed to access Control Panel are given below. Step 1. Click on the Windows icon. Step 2. From the menu which opens up, select the Control Panel option. Step 3. The Control Panel windows opens up. Step 4. Choose the option on which you want to work from the different options. Use of themes. Themes are used to change the background, icons, and many more things to give the desktop a personal touch. A theme usually comprises of a set of shapes and colors for the graphical control elements, the window decoration and the window. Themes are used to customize the look and feel of a piece of computer software or of an operating system. Steps that have to be followed to change a theme are given hereunder. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Click on Personalization. Step 3. Click on Themes. Step 4. Under Apply a theme, click the one you want to apply to your desktop. Magic Scroll. Start button is back in Windows 10. Calculator, Email, Gallery are some of the applications available in computer. OneDrive, this PC, desktop are some of the options available on navigation pane. Taskbar is there in the bottom of the screen by default. Start button displays all the applications installed in the computer. Control panel is used to change the settings of the windows. Themes are used to change the background icons, etc. A.